guys, it's Mrs. Blaisdell. Today we're going to be doing activity 9, which is states, and we are going to be figuring out how to change the primary key. So we're going to go to blank database. We're going to type in states, create, and we're going to click on the table. We're going to go to design view. We're going to type in for the name of the table 50 states, and we're going to click OK. And so what we want to be able to do here is we want to basically delete that row that is the ID row. So we're going to delete it, and that's going to be fine. We're going to type in state. And all of these are going to be short text, so nothing exciting here, except for changing this primary key. So we're not abbreviation, short text, and flower, short text. So we have all of that done, and then what we want to do is we want to go up to state, and we want to make that the primary key. So we select that whole row, and then we click on primary key, and it will become the primary key. Now, if for some reason you're typing when you get back into datasheet view, and let's say you happen to type Idaho, and then you go to the next line and you accidentally type Idaho again, it'll give you an error. You can't do that. And so that's probably another reason that you sometimes want to change that primary key to make it something specific so that you're not repeating, you're not getting the information messed up. So primary keys serve several purposes, but one of them is organizing, but another one is sort of keeping track of how you're doing when you have a big long amount of information to type. Okay, so we're going to go back to the datasheet view, and it says you have to save, so we're going to say yes. We're going to type in the state, which the first state is Alabama. Well, it would help if I could spell Alabama. There is no Q. All right, and then our abbreviation for that is going to be AL, and the flower for Alabama is going to be the camellia. Okay. So let's put that in. And if you wanted to make a little more room here, you could do that. Might not need it for the abbreviation, but maybe for the flower names. Some of them are long. Okay, and so let's go down here and we're going to type in Alabama again. And you're going to see that, for instance, okay, it says the changes you requested were not successful because they would create duplicate values in the primary key. So you have to click OK, and then you have to go back here and change that word. Okay, so it keeps you kind of like from making a major error. And so you need to type all 50 states, their abbreviations and flowers, save that, and then you will be, and of course save is up here, and then you can make sure you close out before you try to send it up to Canvas. Okay, that is a long one to type, I have to admit, but I'm pretty sure we use this one again. We come back to it later when we're doing a report or something like that. So it's good to have it.